So the problem I'm having is the truck just cranking before it start. And you said you think that's probably
Check valve behind the head.
what is
But
that?
the check valve that's due like